What if I told you some of the systems we trust the most to protect our data have been vulnerable for years and no one realized it? Not because the technology was weak, but because we simply didn't see the flaws. Until now. Because today, artificial intelligence is doing something humans couldn't do for decades. It's finding hidden vulnerabilities inside one of the most important security systems in the world, OpenSSL. And what it's revealing is changing how we think about cybersecurity forever. Part 1. The discovery. Let's start with the basics. OpenSSL is one of the most widely used encryption libraries on the internet. It powers secure connections for websites, online payments, APIs, cloud platforms, and email systems. Every time you see HTTPS in your browser, there's a high chance OpenSSL is working behind the scenes. It has been trusted for decades, used by millions of servers worldwide, and considered a core foundation of internet security. But recently, AI-assisted security research uncovered something unexpected: multiple vulnerabilities hidden deep inside OpenSSL's code. Some of these flaws have existed for years, even decades, undetected. And that raises a serious question. If these vulnerabilities were always there, what else are we missing? Part 2. Why AI found what humans didn't. To understand this, we need to look at how security has traditionally worked. For years, cybersecurity relied on manual code reviews, rule-based scanning tools, penetration testing, and human intuition. These methods are effective, but they have limits. Humans can only review so much code at a time. They get tired, they miss patterns, they focus on what they expect to find. AI works differently. It doesn't get tired. It doesn't rely on assumptions. It analyzes massive amounts of code at once. It looks for patterns, anomalies, and edge cases that humans might never think to check. And most importantly, AI can test thousands of scenarios in seconds. That's why AI is not just faster, it's more exhaustive. It explores possibilities we don't even consider, and that's how it finds hidden flaws. Not because humans are bad at security, but because the complexity has gone beyond human limits. Part 3. Why this is a big deal. Now, here's where it gets serious. If AI can find vulnerabilities, so can attackers. And the reality is, attackers are already using AI. That means they can scan systems faster, identify weaknesses more precisely, and automate attacks. In the past, finding a vulnerability could take weeks or even months. Now, it can happen in minutes, and that changes everything, because it reduces the time between discovery and exploitation, which means organizations have less time to respond, less time to fix, less time to react. And if you're not prepared, you may not even know you're vulnerable until it's too late. Part 4. What this means for SSL and encryption. So what does this mean for SSL and encryption? Are they still important? Yes, they are still the foundation of secure communication. But here's the shift. Security is no longer static. You can't just set it up once and forget it, because vulnerabilities can exist even in trusted systems, and they can remain hidden for years. That's why organizations need to move toward dynamic security, continuous monitoring, automated certificate management, strong PKI infrastructure, real-time detection, full visibility into systems and identities. Because in a world where AI can find flaws instantly, your defense needs to move just as fast. Part 5. We are now entering a new era, AI versus AI. AI defending systems, AI attacking systems. It's no longer human versus hacker. Speed is everything. The system that detects and responds faster will survive. The one that relies on manual processes will fall behind. Automation is no longer optional, it's essential, because modern threats move too fast to handle manually. AI didn't break cybersecurity, it revealed the truth that security has always had blind spots, and now those blind spots are visible. The question is no longer, is your system secure? The real question is, how fast can you detect when it's not? Because in this new era, security is not about being perfect, it's about being ready. Ready to adapt, ready to respond, ready to evolve. If you want to stay ahead in cybersecurity and understand how SSL, PKI, and digital trust are evolving, Make sure to follow this channel because the future of security is already here and it's moving faster than ever.